What's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a quick demo on how to do phone flash here. Make sure your battery percentage is over 20. I'm at 24%. I should be good, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and plug my car's the 12 volt in here so it doesn't go below 20%. So this is basically what you do, all right? So you just connect it to your Bluetooth, turn your car on, accessory, connect it to your Bluetooth. There's a connecting vehicle interface, initializing, detecting. All right, boom, done, right? After that, you want to navigate. After you update the app, you want to navigate to Program ECU, info to your tuner. Go ahead and select your tuner and then send it. I already have it set to Racebox. In order to do that, what you do is you go over here and then tuner. You can choose what tuner. Of course, mine will be Racebox, but whatever tuner you have, you can choose it with the list that they have. Anyways, go to My Car, connect to your Ecutek Bluetooth module, initializing Racerom. All right, so what you want to do is program ECU. Once you send that to the tuner is going to send you a file that you will have to download, and you're going to get this email from Ecutek. After you got it, you want to go to engine, okay, and that will download. I think it's an auto download. That will download. So mine's already ready to go. Before proceeding, it's the same thing. You know, your lights off, your engine's not running, doors are closed, fans off. Same exact thing. And then you hit program. Do not leave the app. One thing is, though, this is the second time I've done this. The first initial time, it will try and make sure everything is good, and it's going to take some time for Ecutek's application to make sure that your car is in a good working condition and everything like that. It'll just calibrate it, I believe. I think that's what it does. But after that, you can come back and then program it. Basically, this is what you do. You go ahead and hit program, and it will upload it via Bluetooth. I feel like this is slightly slower than, well, not slightly, but this is actually decently slower than your computer version. But I'd rather do this than have to open my laptop every single time, you know. We're just gonna hang out here and see what it does. All right, guys, we're back here. I did fast forward it because I didn't want to just, you know, have you guys stare at the screen here. It did take about 3 minutes for it to get to 100%. All right, so turn the ignition off. Ignition is off. Please wait. All right, turn ignition on. Clearing DTCs. All right, so it actually doesn't give you an option as programming completed successfully. Cool. So that's cool. It doesn't give you an option to clear DTCs like on the PC or laptop version. All right, let's go connect it back in and initialize. Start the car, and we are golden. That's cool. That was actually not that bad. It did take about the whole process, I would say it was about 5 minutes from start to finish. But yeah, there you have it. Hopefully everybody will upgrade. Contact your tuner on how to upgrade, and you should be good to go. Thanks, guys.